Welcome back. Hope you are doing good. In the previous video, we have seen what is count, what is count A, and what is count if. We have seen some of the examples for count if. In this video, let us understand what is count blank. Count blank is a function in Excel. When it is used, it will count all the blank cells in a particular given range of cells. In this example dataset, if the count is D2 to D13, let us see how we will be able to count the blank cells in this particular dataset. We will use the function count blank and see what are the blank cells in this dataset which we are going to use. Enter the formula equals count blank and select the range on which you want to apply the function. It will be D2 to D13 on which we are going to apply the function to find out the count blank. It will tell me how many blank cells are there in this range of cells. Similarly, if I wanted to copy the formula across all the cells, I will simply drag and copy the formula across all the cells. If I wanted to find the blank cells in this particular range of data, I have to select the entire range and we can find how many blank cells are there in this range using count blank. Enter the formula count blank and select the range. We will be able to find out how many blank cells are there in this range of cells. In this range, there are 30 blank cells, what we have calculated so far. So in this way, we will be able to find out how many blank cells are there in the given range of cells in a particular data set. So using the count blank, we were able to find out how many blank cells are there in the data set.